Everything in black is given before you start your clues. So let's go through that. I did a Venn diagram of loans and then scholarships, and then Y are the students that had loans and scholarships. And we're trying to find W, the ones that did not have either one. So it tells me that 30% had received student loans, and we have 200 students. So 0.3 times 200 is 60, and 40% said they received scholarships. So 0.4 times 200 is 80. So received a loan, that is X plus Y equals 60, and received a scholarship, that would be Y plus Z equal 80. You can stop the video and look at the Venn diagram, and that should make sense. And then I went on and took this bottom equation and solved for Z, and that would be 80 minus Y. I may not need that or not. But what I know is if I add all the pieces together, X plus Y plus Z plus W, that has to give me my total number of students, and that's 200. Okay, and then I know X plus Y is 60, so I substituted in, that's 60. And I know Z is 80 minus Y. I'm just trying to eliminate a variable. We already had X plus Y. I'm trying to get down to 2 variables instead of 3. So Z was 80 minus Y plus W equal 200. And then 60 plus 80 is 140 minus Y plus W. W minus Y equals 60. So we know everything I have here in black, we know. Okay? So now let's look at clue 1. Clue 1, 25% of those surveyed said that they had received scholarships, but no loans. Well, that's going to be Z. These people got scholarships, but no loans. So Z equal 0.25 times 200, that's 50. I know Z is 50. So I could plug in 50 here. 50 equals 80 minus Y. And that's going to give me a negative 30 is negative. What's going to give me Y equal 30? And then you can plug that in here and find W. So clue 1 works. Now let's look at clue 2. 50% of those surveyed who said they had received loans, well, let me see, it's received loans also said they had received scholarships. So that would be Y. Okay? And 50% of those surveyed who said they had received loans also said they'd received scholarships. That's X plus Y. So we know X plus Y is 60. I plug that in here. And that's going to give me 30 equals Y. And I can plug in 30 here for Y, solve for W, and that's what I'm trying to find. So this works. So the answer is D. They both work independently.